Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Hope everything's going your way. Anyway, today we're going to be working on something that's been in the background of all my videos. It's pretty hard to miss. It's bright yellow. The yellow Ram 50 that's been sitting in my driveway for about a month now. I got it, worked on it for a little bit, and then I haven't touched it since. So I thought, you know, she deserves her own video. So let's get working on her.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
This is my 1988, if I'm not mistaken, Ram 50. So this was imported to Canada by Mitsubishi for Dodge. At the moment, the interior is completely ripped apart. It smelt really bad in there, so I had to take it all apart to clean it, and I'm halfway through that. But my favorite part, imported for Dodge. Yeah. This is what we're working with under the hood. So I've gone through and I replaced the battery terminals because they were all corroded out. I replaced the coil pack as well as the resistor and was trying to get her going. She would start, sputter, and then die. So after a bit of digging around, I found some crap all up in the carburetor. So it probably wasn't good that I was trying to start it with all that crap in the carburetor, but whatever. So today we gotta rip this out, clean it, throw it back in, and hope that it's better and it actually runs. All right, let me see if I guessed the right size. Oh, I'm so good. Those like barely on there. Damn. All right, simple as that.
I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be without you.
Oh. Okay, well, there's definitely fuel getting to the carburetor because I just got smacked in the face with a bunch of it. There's no gasket on. Oh. Ooh. I'm leaking fuel all over the place. Let me get a couple rags to stuff in there. Haha. Nothing the old pants won't fix. Perfect. All right, let's get this thing inside. All right, carb's in the garage. Let's start tearing it apart and see what needs cleaned. All right, let me get you guys in the bird's eye view real quick. All right, there we go. Now you can see what's going on. And you can see in real time as I figure this. Oh, okay. Well, we're leaking shit all over the place. We're gonna start with spraying the piss out of it with brake cleaner and see if that helps. It's somewhere in this area. Damn! Big spider. Come here. Come here. Damn it. Look at this bad boy. Damn. That's crazy. All right. See you later, buddy. You know what would really suck is if this was good and the reason why it wasn't actually running was because the gas that was in it was really, really bad. So I'm doing this all for nothing. That'd be so funny. I'm figuring this out as I do it here. Well, I've messed around with it a bit, which was pretty much just me spraying it with brake clean and then blowing it out with air compressor. I feel like it doesn't need a full carb rebuild. There's a little shooter in here and it's still getting gas out that shooter. So I'm just gonna throw it back in and hope that I did something that will make it work better now. So let's go do that. Well, I don't really have a lot of hope that that fixed the issue, but only one way to find out, right? So you guys stay in here. Let me know if anything bad happens. Man, it still smells awful in here. Let's see. Let me give her a little bit of gas. Yo! It did the thing. It ran for a second. Let me give her a little bit more gas. Just enough. And damn! Don't capture me right now. Damn it. Every time. Let's get the booster cables. I don't think that's close enough. Ah, damn it. I got the jingle back. I gotta fix that. Oh, it will be long enough. Nice. Excuse me. Uh-oh. I lost my key. Where'd I put my key? My key. It did not come with keys. Nothing. I don't think it's getting fuel. I mean, obviously it's not getting fuel because when I add fuel to it, she runs. That should be a lot. Probably too much. Let's see. I don't understand carburetors good enough. Let me let this battery charge for a second. I'll fiddle around with it a bit more. Fuck, of course I wasn't filming, but I got it! It don't quite sound right, but will it idle on its own? Nope, nope, nope. No, it will not. Yeah! Okay, let's see if we can get her going again. Oh no! There we go! Oh, she dead. It don't run good, but it runs. Got the exhaust hot, and it kind of runs. Could be really bad fuel, to be honest. I don't know. Let me just check this oil, just see how it's looking. Ooh. Ooh, that don't look good. You know, it did not look like this before it ran. I think we should investigate this. That might be the cause of our problem. That looks like water. No. Uh-oh. Let's drain and see what happens. Let's see what all comes out. All right, come under here with me. Y'all my source of light. Okay. That's right where my jack is. Let's see what comes out of here. Ooh. That is not the color you want it to be. Oh no. Oh. Oh nah. Oh, that is so far from ideal. So as we can tell, the oil is a chocolatey milkshake of death. Oh, that sucks. So either the head gasket is blown or the head is warped, but there's coolant getting into the oil somehow. In my defense, I checked the oil prior to trying to start it, and it was just oil on the dipstick. Oh well, you live and you learn. So that's an issue for a later date. So it's going to continue to sit in the background of all the videos and be ignored. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. As always, love you guys. Bye.